Welcome to Dakota Hill Art Studio. I'm Katie Smith. Today we're going to be making woven paper placemats. We'll be using construction paper for these. These make a great decoration on your table for holidays. Tomorrow is Easter, and I'm going to be making up some of these placemats to set my own table. What you'll need is several sheets of construction paper and a pair of scissors. If you would like, you can grab a ruler and a pencil as well. You can decide which of the colors that you want for the main color for your placemat. In my example here, I used pink as my background color. So you can see there's mostly pink on this one. So whatever color you want most of it to be, that's going to be your background. I'm going to use my yellow for the background for this one. So we'll take the yellow sheet of paper and we'll fold it in half. You don't need to do a hard crease across that folded edge, just enough to keep it folded over. All right, next up, we're going to cut some wave patterns into this. So starting from the folded edge, you're going to cut your design. You could do just straight lines if you wanted to. I like the waves. They kind of remind me of an Easter egg design. So I'm going to continue making this wave pattern down my page. You'll notice I'm stopping before I get to the edge of the paper. I'm not cutting all the way to the end. Continue your pattern as many times as will fit. You can open up your pattern. We're going to set that aside and we'll grab our other two colors. Next, we are going to be cutting strips from this. We're going to cut from the shorter side of it. So we're making the shorter strips, not long strips, but short ones. You can use your ruler if you want to make them the exact same size as each other. To do that, you would just mark on either side of your ruler here as you go across the page, making lines, and then you'd cut along those lines. I'm just going to eyeball it though. So I'm going to cut some strips out. I just have both papers stacked together for this to cut them. If you're making multiple placemats, you're going to have enough strips to do 2 placemats. When you're done with this step, you'll have enough for 2 separate placemats. Now we have our background and we have our strips. So choose one of your colors of your first strip to go in. And we're just going to be weaving this. You're going to go over the first part, under the next, over and under, over and under. And then you'll pull that piece down until it's snug against the side here. And then take a strip of your next color. Mine's alternating between green and blue, so I need a blue strip. And this time I'm going to go under first and then over. Under and over. Under and over until I get that piece put in. I'm going to pull it down tight and then do my next color. So I'm back to green for my next strip. Over and under, over and under, over and under. We're going to continue this process all the way across the page. Oops, gotta go over and then under here. Remember to alternate. And my placemat is finished. That is how you make a woven construction paper placemat. You can get creative with yours and do different designs in it. You do zigzags, you can do straight lines for your background, and then add in your pieces. Here's one that I did where I cut an egg shape out of the background before I wove it. You could even do this whole middle section where I have the yellow. Could have been one piece of paper, and then I could have written something in that area if I wanted. So just have some fun with this. Make some woven placemats to decorate your table. See you next time.